Have you ever heard that plums are good for constipation? Do you know the other benefits of this fruit? We recently talked about plums and their benefits on our channel. Did you watch it? We already mentioned the benefits of drinking prune water to regulate the intestine, but we never made a video specifically about it. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Plums and prunes are present in most laxative recipes since they are famous for being natural laxatives. They contain lots of fiber that facilitate digestion, promote the good functioning of the intestines, and regulate cholesterol. Because plums are rich in antioxidants, they prevent premature aging by eliminating free radicals, and they are also good for circulation, avoiding clot formation and preventing heart problems. And their laxative effect isn't only for emergencies. Regular consumption of prunes helps regulate bowel movements, being even more efficient than industrial laxatives. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. See how to make it and write down the ingredients. 5 prunes, 7 ounces water. Leave the prunes soaking in the water overnight. The following morning, eat the prunes and set the water aside. Now that you know to make prune water as a natural laxative, enjoy all of its benefits. Plums regulate the intestine. It will be like clockwork, favors weight loss, reduces bloating, and is good for your general health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.